And the reason that you click on this video, it could have been because of the title or also because of the thumbnail. Why clicking on a thumbnail, it really matters. Stay in this video because we're about to talk about it. I'm about to show you this tutorial step by step so you can do this thumbnail the way you want it in Canva. Huge reminder, this video is not a sponsor by Canva. So definitely we're gonna stick in the free version of it and you can follow step by step right now. So we're ready, and over here I have the Canva account. That definitely, this is the part that I love the most, that you can open it even if it's a PC, a laptop, a Chromebook, or even your actual cell phone. So considering that I do have an account and I open this Canva application with my Gmail account, as it says right here, right? This is over here my Gmail. So everything is done over here. And if you realize something, this is of course with the pro option that I guess is between $10 or $12, which is definitely one of the best options so far. But I'm gonna stick on this one that is for free because a lot of people, they love free stuff. So of course, I mean, why don't we take a look? And it says right here, home, a lot of options to the left side, as you can see it. And this is all we got. It's so extensive. But let's do it so quick. You just go to this part and you start writing what you're looking for, because we're talking about the YouTube thumbnail that you really need right now for your YouTube channel. Well, in this case, your YouTube video. So I'm gonna put YouTube thumbnail, enter, and look at this beauty. This is what I love about Canva. Again, this is for free, two options like I was saying, and you see all of the options that you have, and practically this is 80% done, I would say. If you do not possess that amount of experience when it comes to graphic design, this is the best option so far that I do recommend any type of creator. I've been using it really for a long time. So as you can see, there's a lot of designs, but why don't we focus on one that, anybody can use it? And considering that it's for free, you're just gonna make sure that it doesn't have this icon. Okay, the icon will tell you this is, you're supposed to pay for it. So that's included in the actual um, pro account. So let's say that for whatever reason you want to get a little bit simple with let's put, so you can let me know in the comment section if you had already experience with Canva. Okay, Canva definitely is so helpful at this point if you're a content creator, like I was saying. So I just press over here, and as you can see, there's so many types of designs. Okay, to the point that I really like the color between a little bit of black and a little bit of yellow. It works perfect for businesses most of the time. So you just click here, customize this temple, and look at that. Definitely, all of this is so huge right now. I have a PC in front of me. It'll be in a different, let's put it this way, size in your laptop or in your cell phone. Considering that the size, it's supposed to be unique for a thumbnail that it tends to be for YouTube. It's just one type of size that you can see it on the screen. I'm gonna put it, and this is what I want you to pay attention. It's all about the design that is 80% almost ready for you. Meaning of that, as you can see right here, the fonts, and when you highlight them, okay, you can double check over here is the type of fonts. You just click on it and look at that. So I have more than, I would say like 20, 30 types. It's amazing. So the one that it says here, it says League Spartan. Let's say I want to switch it and I'm going to highlight it and I want to transform it to the type of Northwestern. You see the difference? I click again and it's going to change. And it's up on you again, considering that this is an example for a business online and whatever it tends to be kind of serious. I'm going to put this one. Okay. And, again, you can put it a little bit bigger if you want it. Over here, I'm going to try to extend it. So you see, my mouse is going to help me. Of course, if you're with a laptop or with your cell phone, it'll be a little bit different. But right here is telling you the size. So it says 103. Let's say I want it a little bit smaller and I can switch it to 120. Well, actually bigger. Let's put 144. Nope, I made a mistake. 104. Let's put 104. So this is kind of the typical one. If you want it smaller, I can put 80, 88, and chick, I close it right here, but I want it bigger. So now you see the type of font that I chose over here. I switch to just Seva 1. The number, it's already the size 98.4. Over here is the size for the fonts. If you don't want to switch the color, you just cover this, highlight it, and you press right here. You see the letter A? So you can switch. Let's say you want another color and you want green, and boom, it's going to be switched already. So that's the other part for changing the colors. You can switch. Maybe you want white, and it'll be the 3 lines of those words in white. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to put it, let's say, in, let's put red. Okay, it's just for you to see the difference of the colors. That's it. Okay, so you have the title over here, the topic. I changed the colors on purpose so you could see the difference. And over here also the same. Let's say you want to continue with Montserrat, or you just want to switch to a little bit smaller. You have Lato, how do you call it? Okay, so I switch right here. Okay, let's say that I'm going to put here, it's content creation mistakes. So I can write it over here and I switch the topic. I just change the topic. I just change the fonts, and over here it's going to stay like that. So it's perfect. Again, this is a free option of a thumbnail. Okay. So let's say that you just want to get rid of the picture, and instead of this picture that is already included, you're going to put your picture. That'll be for another tutorial. Okay. But let's continue with this picture that Canva is giving you already. Okay. And I just want to show a little bit of how you can play with the actual Canva application. And if you notice right here, this is kind of like an element that they just put it in the background. So I have like 1, 2, 3, and 4. I don't know if you can see it. So it's definitely already designed. If you actually pay attention to those details, this is actually ready to go. That's the reason that Canva tends to be so easy, specifically for entrepreneurs and content creators that probably you're in a little bit on a rush actually. So let's say that you want to keep the color and you just want to get rid of the black. Over here, check, either click, instead of black, I want to put white. So you see the difference? It's basic graphic design. I am not a graphic designer, okay? And again, this is 100% really recommended, that I would say you definitely need to start using it. I'm going to put it in kind of yellow mustard color. So I want you to double check, those little details. Let's say that I want to keep it on, let's put this color, blue. Okay, that looks much better. So I'm gonna put it everything in blue, and this one I'm gonna switch for black over here. Let's go. So it says driving business forward. Okay, and again, you switch with your picture already over here, so you can imagine kind of. And if you want to get rid of this kind of elements, it's fine. You just press over here and you see, tick, tick. I just go ahead and erase this. You can delete it right here. This is the option that is giving you Canva. It gives you 1, 2, 3, 4 elements and delete. I want to delete the other one so you can get rid of this part. and I just delete. So I just got rid of those. And this is practically 101 edition. You see another one that I want to get rid of it. The third one. I got one, two, three already done. Imagination that I have your picture right here. Okay. So this is practically like a thumbnail for business online, or maybe this is kind of like a webinar thing. It works perfectly for that type of topics. So if you do want to copy it, you see right here when it says add page, you can add another page. Or if you want to double this, I meant to say duplicate. When you if you want to duplicate it, you see right here over here, all of these icons are so necessary. So you just press right here and it says duplicate page, and boom, you got it. The second one is right here, and you can duplicate the actual thumbnail. So you have the option of duplicate, delete, and of course, if you want to add one more page, you can add one more right here. Or if you want to delete it, of course, you can go ahead and delete it right here. Check, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to get rid of this, and that's it. So if you pay attention to this, a little bit of details, it says page 1 and the other one is page 2. If you want to erase this, check, it's because you just want to download it, because maybe you are ready to, to cover your video with the thumbnail. So let's say you actually love the idea of this design and you want to keep it blue, you want to keep the topic, the title is just ready to go. You double check every single detail, the dates, the time, and everything, and you're ready to download it. Over here where it says share, where it says share, I click on it, and as you can see, it says share design, it says download over here, public view link, print with Canva. Also, you can actually print the actual design. This is what I love about Canva. It's going to help you even if you want to print something. So in this case, I just need to download it, as it's only for downloading, and I'm going to put it to cover my video on YouTube. I'm going to press download, but before, double checking that it says download over here in this option, and it's going to let you know how do you want to download it. This is really important for basic beginner tips that you should know, my friend, as a content creator. There's different types, and it says right here PNG, I mean GPG, or PNG, and PDF standard or PDF print, and the following ones. But if Canva is telling you PNG suggested, it's because this is going to help you a lot for your video. As it says right here, best for complex images and illustrations. So definitely go for the PNG, click on it, and it's right here is going to tell you save download settings. You can click that and download it. Once you double check your image, the topic, the actual, edition of your thumbnail, and everything is in order, make sure to click the PNG and then click on download. So over here is ready. It says black and yellow business event YouTube thumbnail PNG. So how am I supposed to check it out? You're going to open that file, and over here is ready to go. This is the best part, like I was saying. And with the practice, yes, you might do it probably in 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, whatever you want to call it. Let me know in the comment section. Have you tried Canva already? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you you have a business online probably, and you tend to be on a rush? Then definitely this is super recommended. I hope this video was really helpful, and do not forget, of course, to like this video, subscribe on time, because it's all about tutorials with Canva. If you want to know more or any other tutorial, definitely let me know in the comment section down below.